Hello, this is JJ Delgado, and we are here today in the Inspiration Hub to meet two of guys that are working in the IT industry and also in the retail industry. They both work for Worten, and they are here today to share with all of us how they are approaching to this that they call 100% digital company. Let's meet these guys. Hello, Nadia. Hello, Rodrigo. Thank you to be here with us today. Welcome to the Inspiration Hub. We can't wait to hear from you and to learn from you, to understand what you are doing in Worten and get inspired by you. Can you tell us who is Nadia and who is Rodrigo?
Okay, so we both work for Worten for the last 10 years or so. I have been all my career working in IT in several different places.
And me, I'm Nadia Miranda. I work now in Worten. I'm an IT director, okay, with the responsibilities in operations systems and developing teams. I am a mentor too. I do mentoring to women in tech in Portugal for the Portuguese women in tech, in an international way for extraordinary women in tech.
Can you now, Rodrigo, tell us something about Worten? What are the focus that Worten has now and what is the situation about Worten?
Worten is an electronics retailer in Portugal and Spain. We are coming from the traditional retailers world, physical world, and we have been doing our digital transformation. So we want to become a full digital retailer in a few years. Okay, so we have around 5,000 employees, 250 physical stores, and in Portugal we are leaders in the online business. We have a revenue around 1.4 billion euros a year.
Wow. I love to have both of you here because you are experts in IT and also in the retail industry. And I want to know a bit more about what is the current situation of the sector, but most of all about the future. What are the trends that you are facing from your industry, and also how the technology can help to achieve these opportunities in the future, and also to how to mitigate through technology the possible risks of the future.
Okay. The future is digital. Okay, and we are doing a biggest transformation in Worten to guarantee that all the business have this mindset to be a digital retailer. Okay, we are working in a digital transformation, but of course we are continuously improving our physical stores. This is why I think that our slogan is we are a digital retailer with physical stores and with a human touch, okay? Because the future is digital, okay?
And in this path, in this journey to the 100% digital company, I know that you develop a very interesting application that is, I think it's called Employee App.
Yes.
Can you explain a bit what is this about and how it works?
This app is named My Worten. Okay, so this
My
is
Worten.
the app.
My
Worten.
Worten.
This is the app that we developed for all the employees in Worten. But we wanted this to be more than just a simple employee app. Okay, we have been developing this for the last 5 years, and we mapped. When we started, we mapped all the employee journey, and we see all the points that could be digitalized. And so we started that work, and right now we have a very unique app with many processes that before were very manual or involved a lot of people or were very frustrating. And now you just have to do a few clicks and you solve that problem. So we really improved our employees' life, their experience, and we became much more digital with this app.
Making things easy, usually it's much more complex than making them complicated. So congratulations for doing that, but I can guess that this project was not easy to develop all of this. What were the challenges that you were facing? And you were counting with some partners like entity data. Can you explain us a bit more about how to manage these complex projects?
Yes, 2 years ago we decided to move to our head office to a new location. Our building it's incredible. Okay, it's amazing. And naturally, we want to do this place with a better place to work. Okay, but also to socialize and meet each other and give the better experience for our teams. Okay, since we have embraced this hybrid way to work. Okay, we decide to improve our My Worten app to guarantee that the employees have the best experience. Okay.
And for developing this hybrid experience and digital experience at the new office, that's when we asked Entity Data to help us. It was a very challenging project, because one thing is to have an app that is used for digitalizing processes with the employees. Another different thing is to have this app connected to every sensor in the building, and we to have the accesses controlled by the app, to know, for instance, to control the lockers. We have lockers for the employees. The lockers are controlled through the app as well. We even connected our restaurant systems with the app, so we can know anytime how many people are in the restaurant. Is it a good time to go there right now or not? So we really put a lot of effort thinking what would be the experience we wanted in our head office, the digital experience we wanted to give to the employees, and the Entity Data helped us achieving this goal.
One thing is developing the app. That is a very complex project, but the second thing is to use it, to adopt by the employees. How did you do that, and how Entity Data helped you to coordinate all of this adoption of the app?
Okay, we had many technological challenges to overcome, since we had to integrate with very different systems and not so standard technologies. Okay, and the project lasted around 6 months. Okay, and with our experience and with the experience of Entity Data, we are now with our app reference in the market. Okay, because we have now with this app to be a reference in innovation to our market. Okay.
And what are the type of functionalities that employees can do with the app?
Okay, we can book the place to work. You can see the capacity of a restaurant. We can book the lockers. We can book a place to have meetings. We can book a place to put your car, and so on.
It's like being 100% digital for the employees, no?
Yes.
Because it's now employees are just 100%
we have
connected.
a policy with the clean desk. Okay, and with this policy with clean desk, this My Worten app guarantee that we have experience digital, and you can decide the place to work in our buildings. Okay, we have a building in Lisbon, a building in Porto, and with the area that we have supply chain teams, and you can book if you go to the supply chain teams, or if you go to Porto, you book the place to work. Okay.
And I can imagine that this app, combined with the new way of working, brings a lot of innovation, no? In terms of cultural change, no, in the mind of the employees.
Yes.
How was this contribution to the innovation?
It is a very big change. It is very innovative. People, we can see that people feel proud to come to the office and to work here, and they feel happy. So this is a great place to work, and the digital experience that we are giving them, it's making their life more easy. Okay, we were able to cut much of the friction that coming to the office has. By the way, bringing people to the office nowadays is a challenge. Everybody wants to work from home, and I think that we achieved a very good balance here. So the digital experience was very important to make sure that everyone is willing to come to the office once or twice a week and meet with all the other colleagues and socialize a bit. So I think that the app was very core for this experience.
And this is good for having this rotation of people and coming to the office. This is why we think that our people are very proud of this office, because our building is amazing, okay? But with this digital experience, we feel that our work in Worten is the best place to work.
That's great, because this app, it's like an icon for changing the whole company and going to the core of the employees. So I love the idea. So now the application and the app, it's My Worten, it's already on place and people are using it. What are the next steps? It's in the roadmap for the next phase?
Developing our employee app, but also keep our way to become a fully digital retailer, okay? Naturally, entity data will be an important partner in this journey, okay, of course.
Great. And now just I want to ask if you can give me in one sentence, in like a tweet, how was your experience with entity data?
It was very easy to work with entity data. Okay? They were always very focused in our requirements. They totally understood what we wanted to do. So I would say that it was very easy to work with entity data.
Great. Easy to work with entity data. I kept that one. Thank you very much, Rodrigo, Nadia, for your time and for being so generous and sharing with all of us your knowledge, your ideas, and to inspire all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for this invitation.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.